Hola, casa. Hoy es jueves, el 12 de noviembre. Vamos a tener dos lecciones, jueves y viernes. So let's start with jueves. All right. Hoy ustedes van a practicar con los números grandes in Google Slides. We're going to do an activity. Also, VHLCentral.com. You have 4 activities that are in your dashboard in VHLCentral.com that you need to complete before 9:30 a.m. And don't forget about Quizlet. We have set 4, which is due November 20th. So let's get going. So los números grandes are here, and here are the tens. Repeat after me. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Okay. Now from 100, we go all the way up through 1,000. So repeat after me and get these numbers down, especially some of those funky ones. Here we go. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900. And we have 1000. And then the bigger numbers, remember we had un millón is just a million. I don't know if I can move myself here. Un millón, and millones would be millions. And then remember we had mil millón is a billion. And get this, it looks like they used billón as actually a trillion. Don't ask me why. It just is. It's crazy stuff. All right. So in here's a couple of activities. If you need some extra practice with numbers that are 31 and higher, go ahead and use back through the Google Slides. Go ahead and click on some of these, and they're really good activities. All right. And then here are, this is a practice for you. You're going to put this in present mode and then practice the numbers. You're going to write what you see in each box in number format. For example, if you saw it said 454, you'd write out 454. So you are going to go back through and do this on your own and then check your answers. Whoops, there's a little C missing there. But okay, so don't look right now because I have to go through them really quick, and then you can do this on your own later on, okay? This is just practice. All right. And then also you're going to practice asking and answering questions involving unit vocab using a star, which means to be. And this is what you need to do in VHL Central. So I'll move myself again. So you're going to complete these 4 activities in your VHLCentral.com dashboard by tomorrow at 9:30 a.m. So here they are. So those are what your homework is for tomorrow. All right. And then finally, Quizlet. We have I can recognize and use chapter vocab. This assignment again is the set number 4, and it's due November 20th. In order to earn the full credit, which is 20 points, you need to score 90% or higher on the test, and then also complete, not just start, but complete 3 activities. If you don't complete the activity, I see that, and you'll end up not earning as much credit. So you can do the match, gravity, you can do spelling, writing, learning, and flashcards. Those all count. And if you're into our Google Slides, you can just click on here and then you get started. Okay. And that is it for jueves. Now we go on to viernes, el 13 de noviembre. So later on, if you just finish jueves, tomorrow's assignment, then come back Friday and start here. So the plan for viernes is to practice a little bit of question word activities, and then we have a panorama cultural. It's panorama cultural de España, so learning about culture of Spain. So that is the big homework for Friday is the panorama. It's worth 18 points. It's a homework assignment. It's kind of a Google slide research activity that is due at 9:30, before 9:30 on Monday. And again, don't forget about Quizlet. So let's talk about, first of all, question words. So you're going to, there's that little video, the Jingle Bells question song, which is kind of fun to listen to. You can do that on your own. Oops. And then you can match the question to the question word. So here are a bunch of questions, and take a piece of paper and write the letter of what you think should fit there. And then you can check your answers on the next slide. I'm going to just cruise through that. And this is your big assignment, the culture assignment, which is all about panorama. This is the panorama from our book. And what you're going to do is this. This is a homework assignment. So it's listed as an assignment for under 11:13, and it's due Monday. What you are going to do is open the slideshow. Everyone gets his or her own slide assignment. You're going to be typing directly into the slides. There are directions on each of the slides. For example, this one says, let me see, move this here. It says, find the following information from the previous slide. So sometimes you have to go back and read the previous slide and then write in English in your own words the population, capital, currency, and current exchange rate, and the languages that are spoken in Spain. So each slide will have its own task to complete. It could say summarize the slide, or it could say pick a person and research him or her, or maybe find out cool things about a language. So each of the white slides is where you're going to do all of your work. It's worth 18 points. So make sure you complete all of the slides and provide detail. When it says summarize the slide, it's not just summarize part of the slide. It's or if it's translated, then you need to complete with more information. Okay, and that's all there is for today and for the weekend. So espero que tengas un buen fin de semana. Hasta luego. Ciao.